We say so all the time. So good, so tired, so cute. But using it too much makes your English sound repetitive. Hit that like button and subscribe for more natural English. Today, I'll show you how to stop saying so. 1. So plus adjective, wrong. I'm so tired. Correct answers. I'm absolutely exhausted. I'm completely worn out. Wrong. It's so good. Correct answers. It's fantastic, incredible, amazing. Tip: try absolutely, really, truly, or completely instead of so. 2. So plus result, wrong. I was so late. I missed the bus. Correct answers. I was so late that I missed the bus. I was running late and ended up missing the bus. Grammar tip: use so that, or as a result to connect ideas naturally. 3. So for agreement, wrong. It's cold today. So it is. Correct. It really is. Totally. You're right. Natural sounding English often drops old-fashioned structures like, so it is. 4. So for transitions, wrong. So, let's begin. Correct. All right, let's begin. Okay then, let's start. Now, moving on. Try rotating your transition words. They make your speech sound smooth and confident. 5. So in emotions, wrong. I'm so sorry. Correct. I'm really sorry. Truly sorry. Terribly sorry. Wrong. I'm so happy. Correct. I'm thrilled. Over the moon. Absolutely delighted. Each alternative expresses different intensity. Choose based on context. Today you learned how to replace so with richer, more natural words. From emotions to transitions to results, remember, variety is key to sounding fluent. Quiz time. Which of these sounds most natural? A. I'm so happy to see you. B. I'm thrilled to see you. C. I'm so tired to see you. D. I'm very so happy to see you. Drop your answer in the comments below and tell me which one you use the most. Answer: B. I'm thrilled to see you. Thrilled sounds natural and expressive. It means extremely happy, so you don't need so anymore. If you found today's tips useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more natural English with Daily English Teacher. See you in the next lesson.